Thanks for being with us today. We start with a live look at the U.S. Capitol at this hour. The government remains shut down, and it's unclear when it might reopen. Thanks for being with us here at 4 o'clock on this Wednesday. I'm Jason Wheeler.
And I'm Dia Wall. Hundreds of thousands of government workers reported to their jobs without pay today. Others have been told to just stay home.
ABC's Olivia Rubin has more on the blame game now between Democrats and Republicans.
Just hours into the government shutdown and no end in sight.
How long do you think this will go, Mr. Speaker?
Hope it's short.
Democrats once again today voting down a Republican bill to temporarily fund the government.
That's not a Republican shutdown when nearly every single Senate Democrat votes to shut it down and every Republican voted to open it up.
But Democrats holding firm, demanding Republicans reverse cuts to Medicaid and extend expiring Obamacare subsidies to prevent insurance premiums from rising for some 20 million Americans.
Donald Trump and Republicans have barreled us into a shutdown because they refuse to protect Americans' health care.
Trump and many Republicans falsely claiming Democrats pushing for health care to undocumented immigrants, though that's not accurate.
They prioritize taxpayer-funded benefits for illegal aliens over keeping the government open for American citizens.
Now, the White House today putting $18 billion worth of New York City infrastructure funding on hold. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer is from New York.
When the Democrats shut down the government, we have to actually do a little triage to make sure the most critical and most essential services are provided.
With lawmakers deadlocked, the president turning to mocking Democratic leaders, posting a second AI-generated video on social media, showing Democratic House Leader Hakeem Jeffries wearing a sombrero and a fake mustache.
Oh, I think it's funny. The president's joking and we're having a good time. You can negotiate in good faith while also poking a little bit of fun at some of the absurdities of the Democrats' positions.
And today, essentially looking like a failure for any measure to fund the government to move forward. The next time lawmakers are expected to be back here to try again, not until Friday, day 3. Olivia Rubin, ABC News, Capitol Hill.
The shutdown means as many as 4 million federal employees, including some service members, could go out without a paycheck.
Yeah, roughly 2 million U.S. troops can be forced to work without pay, including hundreds of members of the National Guard that President Trump has deployed to different U.S. cities. For many families with limited savings or who are already living paycheck to paycheck, like so many Americans, not getting paid is a scary situation, to say the least. However, if you have USAA insurance, they are offering some relief.
And what this loan is a zero interest, zero fee loan equal to the value of one net paycheck up to $6,000. And we do also offer other payment relief programs as well. So if you need a little bit more time to make a banking product payment, insurance payment, talk to us. We are here.
All right, so some options there for people who might find themselves in an emergency with this government shutdown. He also points out there, by the way, that even if you don't bank with USAA, you can check with your financial institution because they're likely to also have programs to help you if you're one of those who has been furloughed and you need some help.